But not wholly unfamiliar. Most of the rejiggering is on the top, where Panasonic added a status display, the type you see on mid-range and high-end DSLRs. It also moved the mode dial to the right side and consolidated it with a drive mode dial, as well as repositioning a few other dials. Most notably, the video record button, which is easily reachable on the GH5, requires an awkward hand contortion on the G9. You can program a couple of drive modes for quick change via a switch on the front of the camera, or on the mode dial, which is double, and it has a nice, bright viewfinder that's even bigger than the one on the GH5. You can toggle different magnifications, which sounds great but in practice didn't strike me as all that useful. Power features like dual UHS SD card slots, 5G HZ Wi-Fi support and a USB 3 connection remain, though Panasonic swapped the GH5's USB-C connector for a USB 3 micro B. The body also retains the weather-resistant build of the GH5. A new perk is a dedicated tethering app. Panasonic also debuted an attractive 200mm f2.8 Leica lens, which seems like a natural pairing with the G9. It's shipping at the same time, but it's also a pricey $3,000, directly converted, roughly £2,280 and $3,900.